Welcome back to our channel Box Office Release. Let's start the video now. It's an American comedy drama. The drama made its first debut on 13th of January 2021. The collection will be on Hulu with the runtime of 37 minutes each. The TV collection has received so many hearts and received a score of 7.6 from IMDb. Not to overlook, it received one award as well. The collection is written and created by way of means of One Tree Hill co-stars Stephen Colletti and James Lafarty. Viewers have been patiently looking forward for a season renewal, and now the actual query is, will a brand new season launch anytime soon? What are the updates? Well, fear now no longer to scroll down fast and get the data now to be on this article. Is it in 2021 or 2022? Despite the reality that the season is renewed, we are hoping that it's going to come around someday in 2022. The critiques have been good and the display acquired a nice hike, and not to overlook, fanatics are wanting more. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. The new season will attention at the comeback of former stars Jeremy and Seth. Jeremy married Andrea at the same time as he became operating on a darkish vampire drama. On the opposite side, Seth and Isabella married on the identical time, and then the display specializes in Seth having a horrific day. Jeremy and Seth experience is misplaced now that the program has ended 5 years back. Seth attempts to regain his mood, and Andrea has long passed to every other display. Jeremy is giving his high quality to enhance his situation, and Jeremy's nation receives higher as Andrea is going to famous person in every other display. The guys of their early 30s, plenty can happen, and watch to live, stay tuned. The season specializes as they have portrayed adventure in advance of themselves, and each is looking to set their direction and operating on it. It additionally follows their manner to fix the parts of their signature style. Season 2 will supply the inexperienced mind of its launch, coming within the months after New Year. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more box office movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.